In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to manually install HP LaserJet 3052 printer driver. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you have typed it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this window before we proceed. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so once it's here, click on Open to continue. And in a few moments, you would be navigated to the window of settings. So from here, please navigate to the left side. As you can see a list of the option. Please locate for Bluetooth and devices. Click on it. Now here, please choose for printers and scanners. And you can see an option where you can add device. Click on it. And kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add our printer driver. Once it's here, click on it. And this window would show up. Please proceed with add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port and click on the next. So go with the manufacturer. You can see their HP. Click on it. And here you need to locate for HP 3052. HP LaserJet 3052. So please scroll down and locate for it. So if in case that you haven't seen any of the HP here under the manufacturer, you can go with Windows Update, and in that way you can update or you can identify or you can search for HP here under the manufacturer. Okay, it will only take less than or more than a minute to do so. Okay, wait until it would be finished. Once you have find the HP LaserJet 3052, please click on next and you can now rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it HP LaserJet 3052 and click on the next. So wait until this would be done. Okay, so once you're done, click on the next, go with finished, and there you have that you have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 3052 in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.